This is my last day of class. Yeah.
And this is the final time where
Officially the worst tennis player, but well, I'm a cute one,
Hey besties, we are having our end of year party in my apartment and I'm sleeping. It's 11 p.m. I want to sleep, but let me just try and take my bath and get ready and dance. Hey besties, I'm ready for the party. I'll show you my full outfit later.
That is the high flame.
Alright.
Hello guys. My name is Moyoliwa.
This one I got you with the job. I just want to be here.
You can only use this card once to avoid drinking in any round of your choice.
Who is most likely to marry for money? Do I like money like? Oh, yeah? Marry for money.
it's not like you like my friend.
You can't marry someone that don't have money and that what is my crime? What if I die?
God forbid. Hey besties, I'm so tired. Like I feel like I'm literally still sleeping. The party is still in my head.
I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that. Big man, we don't be where I back that. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. Taking this anything when you do, they must comment it.
Hey besties, so I'm going to work right now. Today has been so busy. So busy. I was not even able to cook today, but
I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try.
They want to use billing. You see billing? They want to use to choke me. Like my neck is tight. If they're not calling me from home every single week that they need one thing or the other, maybe somebody's school fees has not been paid or something broke in the house, or my relative that I have not spoken to for 15 whole years calls me and she says she wants me to be her chief bridesmaid. Chief bridesmaid? Do you know what it is to be a chief bridesmaid in 2024? And let's not even get me started on the new formats. Listen to the caller.
hey besties, I'm going on a date.
Floor 0.
Thank you. Hey besties, I just got back from the date. I am filled up. I need to unbox some gifts from the date. I can see chocolates. Van Roy caramel chocolates. Whew. Then there is this wrapped gift. I don't even know what it is. Oh, this makes me really happy because everyone that knows me already knows that I love perfumes. And yesterday he was even mocking me and calling me Ada, ew, the perfume. Love it. Eh.
Hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair with me up.
As I was packing, I saw this my manifestation journal and I almost cried. I saw how I wrote that I would be told Happy New Year in the UK. I saw how I rigorously was applying to various schools in the UK and Canada. See all the date of everything I did. See, when it comes to talking about universities, scholarships, things like this, the reason why I'm knowledgeable is because I did it. I applied to numerous schools. I applied for numerous scholarships. I got some. I let go of some. I was rejected in some. And it's just beautiful seeing the progress I have made. My God. I almost cried reading this. I won't even lie because it was so emotional. And it's just a sign that dreams do come through. It may not come at the right time or at the time you want it to come. And that does not mean it's not the right time. Delay is never denial. That your dream, that your aspiration, it is still going to come to pass. I firmly believe that whatever you have in your mind, you can see it in your life. Like you can see the manifestation. It will definitely happen. Sometimes you would never know the timeline to which it will happen or exactly how it would happen. But one thing you should never do is to give up hope. The amount of rejections I got, and yet I just kept on because I knew my goal. I knew what I wanted to do. And right now, it has even given me a lot of lived experiences. It has helped me even help other people. So much to say, man.
You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. 'Cause the point of crying, it was never even now.
Hey besties, I am going for a very special birthday party. If you're an OG on this channel, you would know her because I have done some videos with her alongside some of my other friends. So I'm going to Leeds and that's where the party will be holding. It's going to be a birthday dinner at Turtle Bay. So we'll see how that goes. I'll show you my full outfit when I get there. But right now I have to catch up with the train.
Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
I'm waiting for my taxi right now.
He say that I'm good enough, tell him I'm good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that.
Hi, Adaeze besties. By proxy, I'm your besties too.
Hey!
Hi, Adaeze besties.
B, you can't pretend like we're not existing. Birthday woman, Mama baby, yeah. I'm not the blind.
Not the blind here. Hi, Adaeze besties.
Hi, Kati.
Toast to Diana and Coffee.
Hey. Happy birthday to you. Wahala.
I was doing a weird close.
Love in Tokyo.
Yes.
Love in what? Tokyo.
I'm good enough. 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 I'm good enough.
Hey besties, I'm back home. I'm so knackered. I just want to take my bath and sleep. But I got a gift from Bibian. Actually, it's my Christmas gift, but I have not seen her since Christmas, so she kept it for me. I'm trying to guess. Can't even guess. Something is shaking, but I don't know what it is. Let's open it. I don't know. Hey, bestie! My favorite word in the dictionary. Hey, hey. Especially for you. Adabeke, thank you for being an amazing part of our lives. Aww, such a beautiful handwriting. Kirky and B. Hey, see the first thing I just saw, lavender oil. This is my favorite fragrance in the whole wide world. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, lavender. This is my favorite scent. I just love every single thing. Like, I love every single thing. Besties, you all know that I'm a gift girly. Not only that, you know that I love scent. Like, anything that has to do with scent, sign me up. Then there is this key holder. It's so cute and thoughtful. What's this? Scented candle. I have a besties purse. Besties are like stars. Yep. This is so thoughtful. Good morning, besties. Right now I'll be going out. I have a lot of shopping to do. I will be doing my grocery shopping. I don't want to say for the month because it may finish in 3 weeks depending on how much I eat. I also have some household items that I need to buy, so we'll be going. I'll be taking you along with me, but I won't be talking because I would not be alone. Nice. I'm trying to get fabrics because I want to sew. Oh my god, besties, I just woke up and see my window. Jesus, snow, how? In this time of the year? Mado. Hey besties, today I'm cooking vegetable soup. I think I've vlogged a vegetable soup on this channel. I feel kind of sick. Cold entered my chest last night, so I'm not really feeling my best, so I will not vlog all the processes at all. I just got this honey because I need it for my throat.
You see this soft life that I envisioned for myself when I was growing up. I said, enjoyment is going to finish me when I'm an adult. Everything out the window. Gone. Like I'm somebody's child, but I'm out here living like I'm living for somebody else.